Hey fellas, my name is Lola and I will show you everything about the water system in the van. Let's go! Let's start by the outside of the van, the exterior part. On the backhand side of the van, there's the opening for the water. Here you can refill the water. We'll do that straight away, but first I will show you how to open. So, when we hand over the keys, you get two keys. This little one right here is either for opening the water and opening also the toilet in the back. So, we start with entering the key, we turn it open, you pull out the key, you press and you turn. Voila, there you have it. There's a water tube in the back of the camper van. You will see that the water tank is full when the water starts coming out. In the camper van, also on the board computer, you can see at what level the water tank is filled. When it's full, simply just pull out the hose. When you close it, you can do the same reverse action. Put the key inside, close it, and that's it. All right, I'll show you how the water system works inside the van now. Okay, so this is the board computer. As you can see, everything is switched off. This means that also the water system inside the camper van will not run. If this is off, it won't run. Turn it on. Here you can see the gray water tank, meaning your dirt water or the water you use for the kitchen and the bathroom. And this is the level of the fresh water, so the water we just refilled. As you can see, now it's just until 75% full. To get hot water, push the button here, turn it to this icon until it flashes, click, and then turn on the level of warmth you want for your water. Eco or hot is mostly more than fine. Click. And now it's on. You will see this flashing and this turning up right there. That means it's activated. You can leave it like this and it will take 20 minutes until your water is warm. To switch it off, simply click again, turn until you click or until you are at the icon, click again, and then scroll until it's off. When this all disappears, it means it's off. If the gray water tank is full, of course, we need to empty it. Let me show you how. Follow me. On the other side of the van, on the driver's side, we keep this little key to empty the gray water tank. Very important, always leave it inside the van. A few steps backwards, underneath the toilet, you will find this little handle, or let's say switch. You can attach this one to the thing sticking out there. Attach it, and then slowly turn it open and you will see the water running out. Now the tank is closed, as we have seen in the board computer, so nothing runs out. So this is normal. But you will see when it's full, don't worry. Voila, we close it that way. One other thing that's very important, always open the tank at a designated service point. So you never do it in nature, you don't open it in nature. It's not nice for your neighbors, for other people that are parked in the same camping or parking, because it will be water and smelly water everywhere. So please just do it at the camper service stations or designated points. The toilet cassette is accessed from the driver's side, near the bathroom. Release it using the lever, turn the spout outwards, remove the ventilation cap and empty it only at designated disposal points, such as campsites or service stations. All right, thanks fellas, see you next.